Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video 10 cool things you can do with the Samsung Galaxy A16. And the first thing I want to show you is if you're having guests and you want to share your Wi-Fi, you don't need to go to the router box or something like this. No, you can share it directly with your phone. Let me show you how you can do that. For that, just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to connections and you need now the point here, Wi-Fi. Just tap here. And now you will have this little settings wheel here. And here you are having the opportunity to share it with a QR code. Now just enter the pin here, so it's nothing else than your phone pin, so the one to unlock the screen with. Go on down or continue, and then you're having a QR code of your Wi-Fi. And as you can see, the brightness of the screen is increasing as well because this is much better for scanning this QR code. Otherwise, what you can do else is to unlock the password here. Same thing, so just enter here the phone pin and your password will show that you can share it directly. Pretty nice and much easier instead to go to the router box every time. The next feature I want to show you is if you want to use your phone with one hand, because the screen is pretty large and you cannot reach everything here easily with your thumb. But there's a way to make the screen a bit smaller by just swiping down here the home button, and then you are having here a mini screen, and now you can do your actions here you wanted to do. So pretty nice. But don't wonder if this feature doesn't work at you right now, because you have to enable it first. For that, just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point advanced features, and here you will have the point one-handed mode, and this needs to be enabled like me here, like at me, so mark blue, huh? And that means whenever you scroll down, now here the home button, you are having the mini screen. In case if you are left-handed, you can put it also on the other side and so on. Was pretty nice. And what I recommend always to do is always here with the bar on top, because you can change the position, no? And then you have it at the most comfortable position here if you use the phone with one hand. You can even play games with and so on. So pretty nice. And always if you're finished with, just tap here on the outside and you're back at a regular mode. The next feature I want to show you is as well here about the large screen, because why not using the large screen to let run two apps here at the same time? Huh? You can watch a YouTube video on top while checking something else below you on the internet. Let me show you what I mean. So yeah, let's open maybe YouTube here for our example, or could be also another app. So then take two fingers and swipe them from below to the middle of the screen, and you have splitted the screen. Pretty nice, huh? And now you can choose here from below what you want to have here on the lower screen. Let's continue with our example here with the internet. Now I'm having here on top YouTube and can watch a video while checking here below something else on the internet. So pretty nice. But don't wonder if this feature doesn't work at you right now, because you have to enable also this first. For that, just scroll down here and tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go down to the point advanced features, and you will find the point multi-window. So, and I recommend to you to enable the first 2 points here. So swipe for split screen and swipe up for pop-up view. So that's marked blue here, like in my case. And that means whenever you open an app, like YouTube, or as I've said, it could be also another app, then take two fingers and swipe them now from below to the middle of the screen, and you have splitted the screen. And now you can choose an app from below, could be also as well another one. Let me continue with our example here. And yeah, pretty nice. What you can do as well is here with the 3 points in the middle, if you hold them and swipe them up, then you have more space here for the lower screen, for the app here on the lower screen. Or if you swipe it down, then you have as well here more space for the app here on top, in our case YouTube. So pretty nice. And there's a second way here to work multi-window here on your screen. You can open apps in a floating window. Let me show you what that means. Let's continue maybe here with our app YouTube. Could be as well another app, as I've said. And then take your finger and swipe it gently here from the corner to the inside and make your square or whatever. And then you have this little floating window now, and then you can watch YouTube while doing something else on the internet. And with the blue bar here on top, I can put it to any position And yeah, I have enough space now to do the stuff I wanted to do and can watch meanwhile a YouTube video or whatever. Pretty nice, huh? If you want to remove it, just tap here on the blue bar and under X here, and the app is closed as well. Whenever you open it again, it open on full screen. Pretty nice. And if you want, you can also clone apps here with the phone. So that means if you're having maybe 2 Facebook accounts, you don't need to switch them always within one app. No, you just create a second Facebook app. Or if you're having a second WhatsApp number, what is possible because you can insert 2 SIM cards here at the phone, you can create just a second WhatsApp app. Let me show you a bit more about. So just scroll down here, tap down here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point advanced features. As you can see, there are many nice stuff in it. And one point is here, the point dual messenger. And as the name says already, it's only available for messaging services. And here are the apps which one are available here on the phone, which are available for the cloning service here. Okay, let's clone maybe WhatsApp here. So just tap here, go then on install. For the very first time, you need to confirm the disclaimer here. Then in the next step, you can tell the phone if you want to use a separate contact list. What is not really necessary. Just tap here on next, go on OK. In case if you want to do it later, you will have always the opportunity to do it here below. You can create later a separate contact list. I will show you also later in the video another nice tool to make it. So let's clone Snapchat as well, and also the other ones, so that I can complete it. Okay, but how to check these second apps and how you see which one is the first and which one is the second app. Let's go to the app drawer, and here you can see my main WhatsApp account, and here's my second one. Or with Snapchat, here's my main one, here's my second one, and you can recognize always here the second one with this orange corner here. So pretty nice. So yeah, and now you don't have to switch always within one account. And you can go a bit further to cloning apps. You can clone them on a separate space, so a completely own space. So with one phone, you would have 2 spaces then. Let me show you a bit more about. Very interesting. So just scroll down here, tap here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to scroll down to the point security and privacy. Here look for the point a bit below more security settings. And the first point is the one I'm looking for, the secure folder, in a completely separate space. Tap on here and continue. So maybe now you have to enter a Samsung account if you don't have it before. Here on the phone you can use your Google email address to create one. After you just tap on here and continue, and then it will take a few seconds. This is the reason why I forward the video right now. So I was waiting a bit more than a minute, and then the next step we need to set up a password here for the security of the secure folder. I'm more the fan of your PIN here. But you can create also a password or a pattern. So and now create a PIN code. I will create it with 4 times the 9. Please take a better one. Go then on continue or done. I will use it anyway. So he's me telling now that the PIN code is a bit too easy of me. Okay, now the next step, I have to confirm now my PIN code. So it was 4 times the 9 at me. Please take yours. Go at OK or done. Then after. Okay. I recommend to you now to turn on reset with Samsung account. So that means if you forget about your password of the secure folder, you can reset it with your Samsung account. So go on, turn on. Again, if you want, you can add also fingerprints here for your phone for the secure folder. Okay, after just tap on next. And here we are. Here we are at the secure folder, a complete and independent space from the main space. We were having our own camera with an own gallery. So all the camera pictures you're making here or all the videos, it goes directly here at the gallery at the secure folder, and you cannot see them at the main space. And yeah, you have an own internet browser, and all the websites you're surfing on, it's only visible here at a secure folder. Same with contacts, only visible here. That's the best contact list. If you want to have a separate contact list, you can have own files, you can have own calendar entries, own notes, and also own apps. If you tap on the plus symbol, you can choose first from existing apps and make a clone of them, so you can have a third account if you want, if you're cloning apps, or you can clone here as well gaming apps. If you have maybe more than more than one Clash of Clans city, you can have a second one here, for example, or a second Netflix account, and so on and so on. And if you don't want to choose an app here from your main space, if you want to have another app which one should not be visible at your main space, then go here on download from Play Store, and here you can choose apps which one you have only visible here at your secure folder. But how to get here to this secure folder? So we are now at our main space here, and you will find the secure folder here always at the app drawer, and here it is, the secure folder. But hold on, we have set up a PIN code. Why is not asking for that? Yes, he's only asking if the screen goes on standby, and if you come back, he will ask for the code. If you don't want that, if the phone should always ask you for a PIN code, if you enter the secure folder, just tap on the 3 points, then go on settings and go here on auto lock secure folder, and then choose the first one. Each time I leave an app, then the secure folder will ask for the PIN again. If you don't want to have always this request for the PIN, just tap the last one here when phone restarts. So only if you restart your phone, also if you turn it on, if you turn it off and on, then the phone will ask for the PIN code for the secure folder. Or if you want to have it like now, then just leave it when the screen turns off, as I've said. Okay, let me go back here. And let me show you also, so let's go here back to the main space, and you can always go back here with the home button, then you're back to the main space. And let me show you, if you are having data right now, you're on your phone, which one belongs maybe here to the second space, then go here maybe to the gallery. If it's pictures, then just long press one of them to mark them. Then you can mark also other ones, which one belongs there, our little friend here. Go then on more, and go then on move to secure folder. And then the phone is transferring these pictures from the gallery here and bring it to the secure folder. So they're not visible here anymore at the main gallery. Let's check here at the secure folder, and here they are. Only visible here at the secure folder. And in case if you say, okay, you want to have some secret data here on the secure folder, I recommend to you that you change here the icon of the secure folder as well, the name, because if people see that, they think, okay, especially then there's something what is hidden here on the phone. To change here the name and the icon, just go here into the secure folder, go here on the 3 points, go then here on customize, and you can give it another name, and as well you can choose another color for the icon. And of course, you can choose also another symbol, maybe a star here. Go on apply, and then it looks not really like a secret. Okay, give it a better name maybe than me, but you know what I mean. So less trouble then. The next thing I want to show you is about the camera, because did you know that you don't shoot pictures with the full resolution of 50 MPs? Yes, you're shooting just pictures with 12 MPs. Let me show you a bit more about and how you can change it. So just tap here on the camera, and then you will see on top the 12M. That's the sign that you're shooting just pictures with 12 megapixels. If you want to change it, just tap here once, and you're having it now with 50 megapixels. But there are some disadvantages. You can't zoom in, and you need to hold your hand pretty steady if you're taking pictures. And as well, if the light conditions are not that well, it is also not perfect. So, and fourth one is as well that of course the pictures are taking more storage. If you have bad light conditions, or if you cannot hold your hand pretty steady, so just switch it to the 12 MPs, and then you have sometimes better pictures than with the 50 MPs. But if you need the full resolution, if you have good conditions, take the full resolution, and you have the best pictures here with the phone. The next feature I want to show you is if you're in cinema or at a restaurant and you forgot to put your phone on silence, then you can do something simple. Just put your phone on a flat surface and the phone is immediately on silent mode, and yeah, no one feels disturbed then with the call and so on. And what is also pretty awesome, if you pick up your phone later, could you hear that? You will have a little vibration that you know, okay, there are some missed calls or some new notifications or some incoming messages, and then you can just check it. So pretty nice. And if you want, you can take also screenshots here at the Samsung Galaxy A16, so you can picture the screen. For that you have two ways. Let me show you. The first one works with the buttons, so you need to press the power button and the volume down button just for short together, and you're having here a screenshot. After you can see the preview, you can edit the screenshot, or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together, and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you have also the chance to draw something inside here or to highlight something, or here at the corners you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or something like this. And after, just tap here on the sharing symbol if you want to share it with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on, or on the arrow if you wanted to have it directly to your gallery. And there's a second way to have a screenshot, a pretty cool way, and for that you will need the edge of your palm. Just swipe it across the screen and you're having a screenshot as well. Pretty cool, huh? One more time, the edge of your palm, just swipe it across the screen. It goes also from the other side as you have seen, and you're having here a screenshot as well. And where to find the screenshots after? Of course, you're at the gallery. And yeah, here the pictures, they're mixed up with the photos and videos you have done with your camera normally, so I've transferred already to the secure folder. But this is the reason why I recommend to you always to go to the albums, because you have an own folder here only for your screenshots. Pretty nice. And we're almost at the end here of the video, and I want to show you here as well a QR code reader. So we've started with QR codes, we are finished reading with QR codes. For that, just scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you have much more icons here, by the way, and one of it is here the scan QR code scanner. Let's tap it. Now you can scan QR codes. You can even on the flashlight if you want, or you can take it directly from your gallery in case you took a screenshot of something. Then hover your smartphone over the QR code and it will read it here directly and guide you to the website or something like this. But in my case, I just wanted to tell you thanks for watching Phones and More. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video here, and yeah, I hope I could give you some nice tips and tricks here for the phone. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.